Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before then welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm filming this in my car just because I'm on my way to work and I was really excited when I found these, so I was like, oh my god, gotta film real quick. So I've been shopping at TJMaxx and Walgreens and a whole bunch of places trying to clearance makeup lately, and I went yesterday because I was returning an item and I obviously figured, well, I'm gonna have a look around since I have a store credit. And yeah, so they had actually updated or restocked their makeup since the last time I went, and I was really excited with what I found. So I'm just going to show you. It's a really quick video, just like 3 things that I found, but I was really makeup about. I'm also going to show you some makeup blenders at the end. I decided I would do like a makeup blender haul just to test out some new ones, see if I like any of them as much as my Real Technique sponge. And since it was at TJMaxx, they had a whole bunch of them on sale. They're always selling off-brand beauty sponges, and I know most of them don't work, so I just wanted to test it out, see if I could find a nice new one. It's all from Lorac Cosmetics. Honestly, it all looks really nice. None of it was used. You should always check and see if anything was used or tested before you buy it. And also make sure it's not broken. That happens a lot there. So it's all from TJMaxx, all 3 items. And yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. The Lorac Tantalizer Highlighter and Matte Bronzer Duo. It's $7.99 is what I bought it for. And I was so excited to find that. Like, I've heard, you know, so many gurus talk about it all the time on their channels. So now here's my chance to try it. The next thing I got is Lorac's Take Me to Tantigo. It says front of the line pro eye pencil set. It looks like that. Comes with 3 liners in it, an antique gold, a rose bronze, and a teal.
Because it's such a great last line. You know?
I bought this for $9.99. So here's the 3 liners. And I'll show you some swatches. But yeah, they just look really nice, and I'm excited about them. They are like shimmery liners. Okay, and the last Lorac thing I got, I was super excited about. It is a little Lorac bag, makeup bag, beauty bag. But so this was $12.99. It doesn't have like a compare at price or anything, but when I bought it, it had a sensor on the zipper, so I couldn't open it, but I could tell there was something inside it. So I haven't opened it to see what's inside. We're gonna do that together. I'm really excited to see what it came with. Okay, so it comes wrapped in tissue paper. Ooh. Okay, so I'm laughing because the first thing that came in here is a mini Lorac Tantalizer with the highlight and bronzer duo. It's just really silly because I just bought that, but that's fine. Okay, and then comes with a Lorac front of the line pro eye pencil, but this one is in bronze. And then it comes with this Lorac Multiplex 3D Lashes mascara. Hopefully in black, doesn't really say. Here's that. Hollow packaging for the win. And then the last thing it comes with is this Lorac Lip Luster Gloss in 3D Luster, and it looks so gorgeous. I hope that it will be okay with my skin tone. I'm definitely a lattice woman, so yeah, we'll see. That looks really, ooh, it smells really good too. That's weird. And it was only $12.99. Came with the bag and 4 makeup products, so that's really, sorry, there's a motorcycle in the background. That's really amazing that it came with 4 makeup products and the bag for $13. I have a feeling that they didn't know the makeup products were in there, so I just got like a super steal, so that's great. Alright, so here's the swatches. So that's the 3 liners right there and the lip gloss that I got in the bag. And then I'm just going to say that the Tantalizer Duo is underwhelming. And then the highlighter, yeah, it's pretty. It's just delicate. It's a little delicate for the highlighters that have come out recently. So yeah. Now on to the makeup sponges. All of these were $5 and under. I'm not gonna lie, one of them I bought just for the, or 2 of them I bought just for the holder. This one, it's called Miss Gorgeous London. And it looks like that. And then it comes with like a little holder with feet on. I think that's just adorable. And it's a little big so that when the sponge is wet, it will still hold it. And I love this color. So that's the sponge. It's pretty fluffy, so I'm excited to give that a go. From Urban Glow. And I feel like the best part about it is the holder that it comes with. I love the gold. I'm just really excited about that holder. The sponge is kind of bouncy too, nice and bouncy. The next one I got is also from Urban Glow. I didn't realize that, but this one was on clearance. It's only $2, kind of stiff. And then it's really weird. It's like they glued 2 different sponges together and you can feel like the seam. It literally feels like there's glue there. So that's not gonna be good for the face, but we'll try it out anyways. Next one is from Bella Beauty. It comes in this little makeup carton, and that one is $2 as well. I love the color of it, but it's got like this really funky applicator shape. Ooh, that one is the softest one so far. I think that one's gonna be the winner. This last one is from Real Techniques, and it's from their Bold Metals collection. Not gonna lie, I never ever saw this in stores, so I'm kind of curious like if it sucks, because I never saw it or heard about it. I love the shape of it. Look, and yeah, there it is. It's like marbled also. Yeah, let me know what clearance makeup you guys have been into lately, like if you've found something that is surprisingly great and worked out really nice for you, or something that really sucked, so that I don't buy it and find out that it really sucks too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment, like, or even subscribe. So that's all I have for you guys today, and thanks for watching. Bye!